player I have chosen for Player Watch is Aston Villa's Emiliano Martinez. Now, I know a lot of you would be thinking that this is an obvious choice, but surprisingly, Martinez is owned by only 26.3% of the FPL managers, which in my books makes him a differential. Martinez currently averages 4 saves a game, which guarantees an extra point to his name every game. This, paired with the solid Villa defense, makes Martinez's lure the same as what it was when Nick Pope was 4.5. Priced at 4.8 and with a favorable run of fixtures till game week 15, Martinez, in my opinion, is this season's best set and forget keeper option.
My pick for the TGD watch list for Game Week 7 would be Chelsea's Ben Chilwell. Chilwell has been a revelation for Chelsea in the left back role. He can deliver a deadly cross into the box and can also get back and defend, which is the primary job of a defender. He scored on his debut against Crystal Palace and also gave an assist with a pinpoint cross for Zuma's goal. He has kept two clean sheets in his last three games for Chelsea so far in the league and finds himself in a lot more attacking positions. He has carried his form from Leicester to Chelsea and the transition has been very smooth. Chelsea have a good run of fixtures and 7 out of the next 8 opponents do not rank more than 3 on the fixture difficulty rating. If Chilwell can carry this form to go with those fixtures, then many FPL managers would not think twice before spending 5.8 million on him and he'll be delivering points for all his owners.
For this week's watch list, I'd like to pick Cresswell from West Ham. They're the form team at the moment. The massive win against Wolves, the away victory at the King Power against Leicester, and the comeback against Spurs and the draw against City prove that. They're unbeaten in the last four games, and these games were not easy. It was a pretty tough run. Moyes in the last two games has deployed a back three with Cresswell playing at left centre back and Masuaku playing as a left wing back. He's provided 29 points in the last four game weeks, which includes 3 assists and 2 clean sheets. Although West Ham play Liverpool next, the spirits will be high. And then they have some easier fixtures against Fulham, Sheffield, and Villa to look forward to. And you can expect Cresswell to keep his form intact during those fixtures. Moyes finally has instilled a belief in that team, and they're in great form. So I think he is 100% a great pick to consider at 5 million, especially with his attacking potential.
My player for Game Week 7's watch list is Hector Bellerin. Arsenal have slowly steadied the ship under Arteta, and Bellerin is someone who is key to their attack, as Arsenal have the tendency to always play beautiful football and to attack through the flanks as well. Bellerin provides width on the right and makes excellent overlapping runs. His highlight performance this season was the home game against Sheffield United, where he provided both assists in that game, giving his owners a 11-point haul. Although he has kept just one clean sheet this season, we are moving into differential territory as he's selected by just 5.8 or 6% of the managers. And after his next game against Man United, he faces home games, which is against Villa and Wolves, and then travels to Leeds. He's priced also at 5 million and is an option for managers who want to gain ground on their mini leagues.